looks fantastic.
The cut of meat is honestly about the width of myself, and I'm a big guy, and it's about that big. From 10 o'clock last night.
It is quite surprisingly hot.
I reckon this comes off now.
Oh, it's good.
Nice guys, wait, look up.
And then they put some rocks in there, so the rocks get hot as well. There. And then they put the meat on top. So they wanted it to like sort of cook like a old-fashioned oven. So I don't know, do you think it's going to work?
Okay, this is the big boy over here. That's already. Come on, let's go.
The one that was in the...
Just made a roasted garlic dressing and
Should we turn it over? That's the key.
Turn it over, yeah.
Hey!
I love it.
Very welcome to Kalmoesfontein 2016 Convivium. Thanks to all of you for making the trip out here. I know when you drive along the N1 and you gooi here through the Swartland and you hit the road that says Kalmoesfontein and then Kalmoesfontein. You know, they all Fontaine, but at least they're happy names. You know, you could be on Bitterfontein or Brakfontein. But thanks for all of you for coming, and it's going to be a fantastic day. We've got some of my friends, winemakers at the back there, so please try and make a mission to go out and taste the wines of Ryan Worcester from Silverfish, Tinus Creer from Fram, Curry Low from Porceleinberg up in the mountains there, and there's Jasper Wickens from Swartland, Adam Mason, are you there? And Sebastian Beaumont and Turrell Myberg. Have I missed out anybody? No.
Yeah, it's obviously a hell of a lot of food, so my advice is maybe just like stagger it and pace yourself. You've got a long, lazy afternoon, so yeah, just pick your way through the table. Yeah, I just want to talk a little bit about yesterday. We had some amazing speakers and talking about pretty much unrelated things, but the common theme sort of running through it was kind of pushing back against the status quo and getting to ask questions about where everything's coming from. Marco in particular was very inspiring from the point of view of what she's doing outside of the kitchen. So the responsibility of a chef nowadays is way more than just producing a plate of food. So the work she's doing is unbelievable. The reason that we're here today is all to generate enough money to contribute to something. And Marco's charity is the one that we've chosen this year. So from all of us, we just want to say thank you to each and every one of you for being here and to contributing to that. Yeah, if you get a bid, lick it up, make a bid, and you'll be donating to a good cause. To Culinary and her Studio H team, like thank you guys for pulling this off. We were laughing, Wes and I, about how we managed to do anything last year, because the step up from last year to this year has been incredible, and it's mainly because of Henry and her team. And then to all the producers who have donated all this amazing bounty, this is all donated and sponsored. So the great thing about this event seems to be everyone's willingness just to be part of it and contribute. All the chefs have just been incredible, donating time and the planning behind it. It's a lot of work, and I just think the quality is off the charts this year. So thank you guys. And to you guys, I almost forgot you again. But yeah, I mean the venue here is it's just such a special energy in this place, and I don't think we could do Convivium at any other venue. So yeah, to you and Cornelia, thank you, and all the staff who've helped out. It's just a great place to be. So yeah, let's eat, drink, and be merry, and hopefully raise some money for a good cause.